everybody, Josie here from Live at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here again on my channel. Yes, today is another video for an organization, and this is going to be a quick one and very inexpensive one as well. I'm going to be creating another organization system using the shower caddies, and the reason why I came up with this solution is because my previous video for organizing rolls of gift wrapping paper is somewhat challenging for a lot of viewers because the pot lid holder that I use for the organization is no longer being sold at the Dollar Tree. And because the price of pot lid holder, especially the very durable ones, they cost probably minimum of $7 or $8 a piece, and that is not very affordable. In my opinion, that's very expensive. So I have come up with another solution so that you can use the Dollar Tree shower caddies to hold or organize your rolls, either rolls of gift wrapping paper, contact paper, or even your vinyl rolls, the ones that you use if you are into paper crafting, and if you are into digital cutting where you have a Cricut or maybe a Silhouette or probably even the Brother scan and cut machines. And the problem is often organizing the rolls of vinyls can be a challenge, right? So this one I hope will be able to help you out in order for you to organize those rolls. So you will need not one but two. You could probably do away with one if you don't have a lot of rolls, but to maximize the storage capacity, I urge you to use two. So with this one, you can get a minimum of 4 rolls in here, and especially if you're buying your gift wrapping paper from the Dollar Tree, they're not very thick, so you can actually insert here 2 at a time. So probably you can keep here 6 rolls in here, and then on top of here you can also put maybe a couple more. Just put a laundry clip here so that to guide it so that it won't roll out, because there's nothing on top to hold it. Now if you have 2, it'll be even better because you will be able to store more. So what I'm doing is, you're not going to do it side by side like this, but this is how you're going to be doing it. Okay, you are going to be inserting it this way so that you will have enough space for more rolls, and then you can hang it. Even though the other one is upside down, it can still fit your roll. So of course my favorite handy dandy zip ties, and the last time I did it with a colored one so that you can see where I am tying the zip ties, but this time I'm just using the ones that I got from the Dollar Tree. This is about 60 pieces nylon cable ties or zip ties in a pack. Let me just cut this tag off, and we can reinforce it again with glue, either your hot glue or the E6000. So far so good. My caddy is still good with just the hot glue. So I'm just gonna do this, and you are going to be inserting this underneath, and then this other one will just go underneath as well. I don't know if you could see that. So both are underneath. See here? On the reverse, it's underneath. And the purpose of that is to strengthen this, and then you can hang it on the wall. So this is where we're gonna be tying it using our cable or zip ties. So just make sure that you are aligned and you have the same amount of space. So I'll start off with this one. You can start off anywhere, but I figured this is probably the best starting point because this is where it all connects, right? So I will just put it here. So it's just the one that's parallel to it. And I know when it's working, when it makes that zipping sound. I don't want it too wide, so I'm gonna shorten it a little bit. Yep. See here? So this one should be just aligning here, the bottom of the shelf here. and the bottom of the the shower caddy here. So they just lined up. And then I am going to be putting my zip or cable tie here. And then just want to show you where I'm putting it. And since it's still loose, you can actually still manipulate it. I am not tightening it yet because I'm going to wait till they're all set up and then everything works fine. And then put another one here. Okay, so you will see that this is where it's connected. Okay, then do the same thing on the opposite side. So here, same thing here. See here, it connects there. You can do it on top too, but it's better here because at least it will catch it. This part here can catch it. If you want to do also kind of like diagonally where it will capture this part too, that's fine as well. So it's more secure. Middle part, this is where you put the thicker or the wider one, and this one's would be the ones where it's more smaller or narrower. The good thing is you can actually change the width, okay, so that if you have a medium size, you can actually increase it. So I'll put some reinforcements where there are some connections. Okay. Okay, so another one here. All right. Now you can secure it further here. The more secure, the better. So I'm suggesting maybe put more here. I think this is enough for this side, but maybe put a couple more here, a couple more there. See how fast that is? Then a pair of scissors. So to reinforce, I'm using hot glue so that all connections here will be more secured. Let it dry. And that's it. So let's hang up our wall, the rolls of our gift wrapping. So here it is. So basically it holds a little more than this one here, the pot lid organizer. It's still cheaper. This still is my preference. If you can find one, go grab one. Of course, if you can find more, grab them as much as you can. But since it's not available at the Dollar Tree right now, and if you buy that somewhere else, it costs around $7.99. It's not cost effective. So that's why I have thought about connecting or attaching two shower caddies the way I did in this tutorial. Now the only thing is because that one kind of like its own built-in stopper because it has a peach. This one doesn't have. So the solution there is to put some binder clips, those laundry pins, or laundry clips, and you can buy this inexpensively from the Dollar Tree as well. So just put them in the middle. Okay. And what I like about this one is that it already has the hook here. Two hooks for your gift bags. And yeah, I think this is a solution for those who cannot find the pot lid holders for now and until you find it, because you can dismantle it. The way I did this, that's the reason why sometimes I don't want to use E6000, because it's so permanent that you cannot dismantle anything, or if you dismantle there will be damage. So this one is just hot glue plus some zip ties, and it's durable and it'll last up until you want to take them off. Okay, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please share with your friends who are in need of this type of organization, and let me know what you think about this latest DIY, and please comment down below. Also, if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe and click that notification bell next to the subscribe button so that you will not miss any of my new videos. Hope everyone is having a great day. Talk to you in my next video.